Hi, this is Mavelyn Japolet, BSIT3. Welcome to my another video in Packet Tracer Activity 2.9.1 Packet Tracer Challenge Skills Integration Challenge Activity. And here's the learning objectives. Cable the devices, apply a basic configuration to the devices, configure static and default routing, test connectivity and examine the configuration. So task 1, cable the devices. Cable the networks according to the topology, taking care that interfaces match the label shown in the activity. HQ is the DCA side of the both one. So, ang una na to nga i-cable is the HQ. So, ang atong gamiton na cable is automatic connection. Automatically choose connection. Okay. So, ang HQ atong i-connect sa S5 kay maumay una. Then, ikaduha, ang switch 5 adto sa PC5. Next is the switch 6. Then, itong PC5. Okay. Then, let's proceed to P1. So, we'll use again the automatic cable. Okay. Let's connect to serial switch. Then, switch 1 to PC1. Then, sunod sa S2. S2 sa PC2. Then, S3. S3 to PC3. B1 to switch 4. And switch 4 to PC4. Okay. There na punta sa B2 router. So, sa number 7 ta, maguna. Sunod is nasa na itong switch. Okay, sa switch error. Nag-error ang port. Then next is sa switch A. Then switch is to PCE. Router to switch 9. Switch 9 nga to sa PC9. So B2 router at to sa switch number 10. Switch number 10 to PC number 10. So the next that we need to do is let's connect the HQ router to B1. We will use the DCA cable. So ang DCA, may ano niya siya yung sa clock. So we will use serial 0/0/0. Okay? Maumay una na dapat gamiton. Tapos ikaduha, serial 0/01. Pero ang atong gamiton dire sa pag-connect is serial 0/0. So we're done connecting the cable. And let's proceed to task 2. Apply basic configuration. Configure the routers with basic configuration including addressing. For one links, assign the first address to each queue and the second address to the other router. For the LANs, assign the first address to the router interface and the address to the PC. 10 address. So, baka yung ano to, nawala. Use the Cisco as the password and class as the secret password. Okay, use 64,000 as the clock rate. Okay. So, ang atong unahon is ang HQ. HQ, let's open the command line. Enter. Then enable. And config T. Then, let's configure the host name. Host name B1. HQ. So, mali ang pangalan sa router. The next is enable secret class. Enter, then line console 0. Enter. Next, password Cisco. Then login. Enter. Exit. Then type line BTY 40, then enter. So there's something wrong. Type line BTY 0, BTY 04. Enter. Password Cisco. Enter, then type the interface. Ganyan lang yan. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Enter. So, ang atong gamiton na IP address is 192.168.1.64.1. So, IP address 192.168.164.1. Then enter the subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.0. Then enter. Ang next na IP address is, then exit, Then, ang sunod nato na i-configure is fast Ethernet 01. Fast Ethernet 0/1. Enter, then IP address. Sunod na to gamito na IP address is 192.168.19.65. 192.168.165.1. Then the subnet mask is the same, 255.255, no space, 255.255.0. Enter. Then don't forget to put the no shut down. Enter. So link 5, change interface fast Ethernet 0/1, change state to stop to up. Okay, and let's proceed to. So ang next na to i-configure is the interface serial 0/0/0 and the clock rate, which is 64,000. Okay, so we will use the IP address, this one, 10.0.0.1. We will use 1 because we use already the 0. Okay, enter. IP address 10.0.0.1, and our subnet mask will be 255.255.255.252. Okay, enter, and let's put the clock rate 64,000. Enter, then don't forget to put no shut down. Then enter. Okay. Interface serial 0/0/0, change state to down. And let's proceed to another configuration. Ang next na to i-configure is ang IP route. So, ang una na to i-configure is serial 0/0/1. And our IP address here, we will use the 192.168.0.0. Don't forget to put the subnet mask 255.255.255.252. Din ang serial na gamit. So, serial 0/0/1. Enter. The next na IP route is ito na, this one. Kini na IP route. So, kini ang atong gamito na IP address, which is 172.24.0.0. Then, ang subnet mask, the same lang, 255.255.252. Then, serial 0/0/1. Not /1 pala, is 0 kasi /1 is we use already. So, dito na tayo this side, no? Dari ang 0/0/1 kini nga side. So, kini upload kiri nga side. So, next na to buhaton is ang PC1. Atong i-configure ang IP address. Sanay na itabo. Nag-lag ka na naman. Okay. Open. Ang IP address na to sa kuan is 192.192.168.64.10. Subnet mask is 255.255.252. Then ang atong default gateway is 192.168.64.1. Okay. Nakalimut day ko og configure ang usa ka serial na 0/01 kini na side na IP address for the clock rate. Okay. And is 0/0/1. Enter then IP address 10.0.0.5. 5 ang gamitong kay man naman ang .4. Then ang subnet mask is 255.255.252. Then enter. Then clock rate 64,000. Enter, then no shutdown. Then usa pa ang kadtong sa IP route. Okay, then exit tayo. Then sa IP route na tayo. So IP route ini siya balik ta diri ibaw naman mo asa kuhaon nino diri kini nga side kini ato gamiton sa IP route una. Sa sunod kini na pud siya. Okay, enter. Then carry. Enter. Ba't nag-invalid? Okay, invalid kaya ang ahong subnet mask diri sa ikaduha is mali. So, let's check again. Copy, enter. Then kini naayro nga IP address tayong subnet mask. So, remove lang ang subnet mask. 252.00.0. Then ang serial 0/0/1. Serial 0/0/0 na Okay. Let's go back to the PC configuration. Okay, sa PC6 na ta kay human naman ta sa PC5. Okay. Ang IP address is kini ang 192.168.65.10. Subnet mask, yan, 255.255.255. And the default gateway is 192.168.65.1. Okay. Next is B1. So it's just the same the process from the its queue. Let's open the command line interface. Enter, then equal, enter, then host name, okay, configure pala. Host name B1, enter, then enable secret class password Cisco. So line console, line console, enter, password Cisco, enter, login, enter, then exit, then line BTY, line BTY 04, enter, 04, so long. Line BTY 04, password Cisco, enter, exit, then exit, enter. Ang atong i-configure is kini ang fast Ethernet 0/11.172.25.0.0 .01 yan. Then 255.255.0.0. then enter. Wrong ang IP address. Yan. Mali. So, wrong ang akong IP address kay sobra sa dyan. Okay. 172.25.0.1 not 00. Then space 255.255.0.0. Enter, then no shutdown. No shutdown. Okay. Exit. Then sunod is kiniya siya fast Ethernet 1/0. So ang tawag gamitin is 172.26.0.1. Okay. So and F1/0. Enter IP address 172.26.0.1. Then subnet mask parehas na sila 255.255.0.0. Enter, then no shutdown. Then enter. Then sunod is kiniya nga side fast Ethernet 1/1. So kini na pod 172.27. 172.27.0.1. Address 255 that our subnet mask 255.0.0. Enter. No shutdown. No shutdown. Okay. Then exit. Then last na to i-configure is serial 0/0 sa B1 sa interface. Okay. And S0/0/0. So ang atong IP address is 10.0.0.2. .2 na siya kay gamit na taganina sa 1. So enter yung IP address only 110.0.2. Then subnet mask 255.255.255.252. Enter, then no shutdown. Okay, let's proceed to another task. Sunod na to i-configure is the PC, the all PC device. Okay, IP address. Quiet please. Let's talk later, baby. 172.24.0.10. Enter. Subnet mask is 255.255.0 and default gateway is 172.24.1. Quiet, later na. Mama is using, okay? Now, invalid gateway. So, 172. Kulang. Okay. One seven two two four dot zero two is 172.24.0.1. Okay. Next is PC2. Stuff. Then 172.25.0.10. Enter. Subnet mask is 255.255. Then the default address is 172.25.0.1. Okay. Visit 3. Open. So what the IP address is the 172.172.25 that 26.0.10. Then subnet mask 255.255. Then 172.26.0.1. Okay. PC number 4. Okay. IP address is 172.27.0.10. Then 255.255. Then 172.27.0.1. And let's proceed to router B2. So let's begin the configuration. It's just the same with the HQ and B1. Let's open the command line interface. Enter, then enable config terminal. Enter, then hostname B1. Enter, then the IP route. So, ang IP route niya is kini nga IP address para makakonect siya sa B2. So 172.24.0.0 and the subnet is 255.255.252. 255.252.0.0 Ang serial niya is serial 0/0. Serial 0/0/0. Enter. Then line console 0. Enter. Then password Cisco. Password Cisco. Enter. Then login. Login. Then exit. Exit. Then line BTY 04 04 line BTY 04. Then enter password Cisco. Password Cisco. Enter. Okay, exit. So next that we need to do is to configure the IP address in serial 00. So kini na side. So ang atong gamito na IP address is this 10.0.0.4. But now we use 10.0.0.0.06. Kay ato namang nagamit ang 04 ag 05. So IP road, I know, forgot. And S0/0/0 enter IP route or IP address 10.0.0 .6 .0 nga .0.6. Then subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. Then enter. Then no shutdown. No shutdown. Enter. Next na to i-configure is interface fast Ethernet 0/0 using this 192.168.0.1 na IP address. No? IP address 192.168.0.1. Then 255.255 na subnet mask 255.0. Then shutdown. Then sunod na to i-configure is interface ini fast Ethernet 0/1. Fast Ethernet 0/1. Enter. Then ang IP address is 192. IP address 192.168.1.1. Then subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Then enter. Then no shutdown. to shut down, then exit. The next is kining F10. So mantas F01, so F10. So interface F1/0, enter IP address 192.168.2.1, then 255.255.255.0. Enter. No shutdown. The next exit. Then next is interface fast Ethernet 1/1. Enter IP address 192 ba? Okay. 192.168.3.1. Okay. Then 255.255.255.0. Enter. Then no shutdown. Enter. Then exit. Okay, let's proceed for the PC configuration. Okay, desktop. Okay, let's proceed to the configuration of the PC. So, we will use this IP address 192.168.0.10. Nganong .10 man? Kay, ang nakabutang dire for LANs assign the first address to the router interface and the .10 address to the PC. Nang .10. Okay, ang default gateway is 192.168.0.1 ang default gateway. Okay. And let's proceed to PC number 8. Okay. IP address is 192.168.1.10. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Then 192.168.1.1. Oh, so there about that. Okay. Okay, and let's proceed to PC9. PC9 192.168.2.10. Okay, And then 192.168.2.1. Okay. Let's proceed to PC number 10. Okay, 192.168.3.10. 192.168.3.1. Okay, 98. Test the connectivity and examine the configuration. Step 1, test you should have end-to-end connectivity using ping to test connectivity across the network. Troubleshoot until pings are successful. Step 2, verify, use verification. So, examine the configuration. Use the verification commands to make sure your configuration are complete. Okay. So, our completion result is 98. So, let's check the result because there's something wrong. Okay. In B1, our static route 0 is wrong. Okay, route 0. And routes, and then ito na route. Sa B2, route 0 also is wrong. And static route sa B2, so ilan yung wrong then? Static routes 0. Routes, so 1 static route 0, 2, so duha ang atong nga wrong sa B1, B2, so is it 10? Ayos ko dyan. Feed, meter, then IP, hyperroute, okay. Hyperroute, meter, shutdown, Hmm.